YouTube, definitely. This is going on YouTube. What Oh my god, that's so deadly. Yeah, Mr. Garcia.
Now it's time for the one and only saddle video to get you guys pumped up for the game.
Why do we have props that big? That's useless. Move the telephone pole!
Serious matter. What's the point, boss? Well, last year we lost the saddle. What we're gonna do? We're gonna steal the Golden West. We're steroids.
Yeah, it's like, you know, it's really.
State Farm is here.
Wait, you guys got the message too? That's why I'm here. I mean, wait. Where's Tenor Road? Don't worry. We'll handle this. You better take it inside. Headquarters is Skull Island, right? Yes. Has to be there. Let's go. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. That's Skull Island.
What?
Wait, where would head go? I might have teleported that off. Oh well, you don't need it. Look, there's a truck. They must be here. Let's go. Let's go.
They go opposite direction of the bus.
I wonder where the mascot's at. This place is creepy. Hey, isn't that the mascot right there? Enough? Yeah. You gotta do it. If you just give the mascot right, we're not gonna help you pick up. You gotta do it. So we're gonna get the mascot back. I don't care. We took him. He's ours now. Yeah.
There's a student like sitting right there. Really? Oh my god. What the fuck? And then you fall in trick. Dude, that's so scary.
The Superman, remember he changes
And now here's the champion to give a speech to our football team.
some inspirational words.
I need all the varsity players out here right now. Right here. How about you men have fought long and hard all year long. You faced adversity, and at times I'm sure you felt very alone. Tonight, Ellie's going to come into our house. Take our saddle. What I want you to realize tonight that as you look around behind you, look around behind you right now. Look at the stand and you have the fans behind you. They may think they can beat us, but they can't beat all of us together. We will keep what is rightfully ours. With that, I turn this over to one of the team captains, Mr. Dice. Mr. Dice.
Is he gonna say something?
Since we won, we do this as a prayer, and then we're going to pass it on next year. I'm sure Rudy will be leading this next year. Dear Lord, the battle we go for the light. We ask for a chance to spare. A chance to equal our stride. A chance to do or dare. If we shall win, let it be by the code. Faith and honor held high. If we shall lose, we'll stand by the road. And cheer the winds go by. That's what it is! We get better! We can't beat me! Won't beat me! Let's go!
go to your class section. Because it's time for our class yell! You ready?
Excuse me, Heidi.
Blue are freshmen. They are Blazers. They wear our jerseys and support our colors. We're not going to boo someone that supports the Chiefs and Jones. All right, let's go. You ready? Everyone's cheers. Alright, this side we're going to be golden. And this side we're going to be
A little thing.
alright?
I left it on. Yeah.
Stand up, stand up.
What are we doing?
Here's how you're eating.
You guys are coming.